Okay, I'm glad there my tractor is calling and I must go shirt being punished. But hate crime legislation is pretty BS. You should be charged for what you do, not for what people think was your motivation. People need to learn to be tolerant of other people and their beliefs again. Period. Live and let live. We have. My tractor is calling and I must go shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. We got Biden. And my tractor is calling and I must go shirt. Now we've got these two. But I will say we have some great Americans in my state, too. Hopefully. This doesn't sour everyone's taste too bad. After all, Delaware isn't really known for anything else. I'm not sure if this qualifies as a hate. Other products.